So in this video, you'll learn how to add a weather widget to the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step when it comes to adding a weather widget is to just long press on an empty space on your home screen to open up the home screen editor. From here, you're then going to tap on Widgets, and you're going to scroll down until you find the category for weather. And when you tap on it, you can see the different styles available for you to choose from. So find the style that you want to use and select it, then tap on Add. You can see the widget has been successfully added to the home screen. If you want to move the widget around, you're just going to long press on the widget and just drag it to whatever position you want. And then when you're happy, you can just let go of the screen. If you want to make the widget bigger or smaller, you're going to long press on the widget, and then you should see these 4 handles. So you're going to just use those handles to make the widget bigger or to make it smaller. So it's up to you to decide what size you'd prefer to use. When you're happy, you can just tap on an empty space and you can see the customizations have been added. If you want to go a step further by choosing the location the widget is showing or just changing the colors, what you can do is long press on the widget and then choose Settings. Under Settings, you can see all the customizations you have available. So you have the location, which is your default current location. If you wish to change it, just tap on Change. Tap on this search function and locate a widget that you wish to add. Once you found it, select it, and then now you have to choose it again. Once you've chosen it, the widget preview should show you the weather for that specific location. Then you can choose what weather is being shown, so it can be daily forecast or hourly forecast. Again, this just depends on the size of the widget as well as the style that you've chosen. You can also choose to customize the background. You can choose to change the background color as well as change the font color, again, depending on the customizations that you're making. So just have fun with your customizations, and when you're happy, you're going to tap on Save to apply the changes. And you should see a newly customized weather widget on the home screen of your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.